Guess what?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, I'm Shana and I am from Malaysia. So I actually didn't upload much. It's been a while. I don't even know why. I don't have much time to do stuff like video things. But anyway, I'm here now and I am so inspired to do this kind of e-girl makeup. And I saw Doja makeup and I was like, girl, I really want to try that makeup. And then I went on YouTube and looked for the e-girl makeup to get inspiration. So without further ado, I will do a makeup. But before that, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then the bell button as well, because I am going to do a giveaway if I reach 500 subscribers. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start. So I'm going to start off with a brow product and I'm going to draw my brows. This is the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in chocolate. So my brows is kind of full. I already bleached it, but you still can see the fullness, right? So I'm going to just brush my brows. By the way, I bought this for 15 ringgit. Murah aja. Oh yay. Okay, anyway, I will just brush my brows and then straight with my angle brush to draw an eyebrow. Basically, I just fill in because I already have my own brow shape, so I don't have to be like keep on drawing my brows. Yeah, know what I'm saying, right? Actually, I do have a vlog on Colourpop. Hello? Hello? Oi. So I'm going to use this primer. At first, I really love this primer, but then I stopped using it because I've been using a matte primer. The Maybelline one, Baby Pore Skin Eraser. It's really good. It's one of my favorite, even though there's some people who don't like it. And then I moved to this one. Look at this. It is so good for someone like me. I have a dry skin, so this is like a moisturizing primer, so not bad, right? I'm going to put it on my face. Oh, please don't feel weird that I didn't set or clean the edges of my brows yet, because I'm going to do that right after I put on a foundation. What's wrong with me? Okay, so next is a Fenty foundation. So this is a Fenty foundation in Fenty Beauty foundation Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation in number 210210. So you have to check it out. I almost finished using this and I might need to buy a new one. I really want to try the hydrating foundation, but we'll see how. I just hope that I will have money to buy it because your girl is currently broke. Oh my god, I'm so white. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. Chamantu. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. This is actually not that white, but why did the lighting make it look like I am a ghost? Ugh. So this is a powder from Girl, and it looks like this. But I'm not going to use this puff. I'm going to open this one. To open it, and then using this puff, like this flat side, I'm going to take the powder and then just set my face. For contouring, I'm going to use this one. Oh, you see that? Oh my god. Eee. I think I ruined my makeup. Here as well. Maybe I should turn this lower. Oh yeah, this is better, I guess. With remaining stuff, I'm going to like do my nose like this. So the next thing is I'm going to go for my eyes, since I see that egirl really love pink or orange, like literally like pink and orange. You see that? Did you see that? Pink and orange, and there's pink, there's orange, and I'm like, okay girl. So I'm going to use this neon Huda Beauty Neon Obsession palette. This one is in orange and it looks like this. It looks so cool, right? It's one of my favorite how do you call it, favorite thing. But before I use this, I'm going to put on a primer. This is a primer from Urban Decay. It's the eyeshadow primer potion. It's been a while I didn't use this one, so I'm gonna use it today. You don't have to put a lot, just put enough for you to like blend your eye makeup with. And using this palette, I am going to take the, oh my god, look at that, this one, and then I will put it all over my lid. Put it on my lid like this. Oh my god, it's so pink. Ooh. Anyway, I'm going to take, I don't know, maybe I will take this one, this little fella right here, and put it under my eye. I really hope I will turn to egirl. I don't know if I will or not. I hope I will. I will eyeline my eyes. Since I have a hooded eye, it's pretty hard for me to do eyeliner because hooded eye is kinda like, if you don't know how to do it, then it will be like a really big disaster. I'm so sad. I'm so scared. So I will, how am I going to do this? Okay, I will just do my left first. Okay, we're done with this one. Okay, we're done with my eyeliner, and then I'm going to come back with false lashes. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes is quite dramatic, I don't know why, but anyway, I'm going to use mascara, and this is the Colourpop volumizing mascara, and I'm going to curl my I'm going to put it on my lower lashes and also together with, I don't know what, my false lashes. Okay, I'm going to put this down here. Just put as much as you can so that it will look full. Is it like this? Oh, by the way, oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, by the way, the lashes that I use is from this one. I bought it at AliExpress, and it was cool and amazing. Oh my god, I think this one is peeling. Come on, please stick. So then I'm going to jump onto my blush. I think for a blush, I am going to use this one. This is the NYX powder blush. This one is really pink, but I don't know if it will be good to use or not, but let me just try. It's pretty pigmented. I don't know if they still sell this or What am I trying to say? Oh my god, my English sucks. Okay, I'm going to put this on my cheek. I don't know if you can see it or not, but ooh, oh my god, did you see that? So I'm going to do that right over my nose like this. Just put it on my nose, like my nose. Make it look like I am drunk. Oh my god, my nose is so pink. A bit on my chin and then like a bit right here. Okay. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say what this is. NYX Powder Blush and PBO4 Silky Rose. It looks pretty nice though. And you just have to blend it out so that it doesn't look really weird. Okay, is this okay? I think this is okay. I think this is it. So then I'm going to use this highlighter. This is the highlighter in Hustler Baby. It's a Killawatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty. Yeah, suddenly I forgot where it's from. What are you, brand? Hi Fenty Beauty, please hit me up. Okay, I love your product. Okay, I'm going to put it on my nose. Oh wow, so bright. So then I will use this blush again. Use this again and try to put it on the tip of my nose again. I mean, you want to look like you're drunk, I guess so. I guess that's their goal. I think that is their goal. I will draw like something like a heart on my face. Since I have a little mole right here, I'm going to change it into a heart shape. So I hope I will be able to draw it perfectly. Let's try. And maybe this, I will make a star. Let's try to make a star. Maybe I should just draw heart. Let's just draw heart. For the lip, this is like a last step of all lip product. I'm going to use this Bitti lip product. It's what am I trying to say? Oh my god, I look like a clown, but a cute one. Okay, so I'm going to use this Bitti X Colourpop lip product. I think this one is the lip. I forgot the line. It's a Bitti Colourpop. I think, yeah, Ultra Blotted Lip. Yeah, this is the Ultra Blotted Lip, and I'm going to put it on my lip. Oh my god, the color is so pretty. Okay, so this is the final look, and I really hope you enjoy watching, even though you listen to me blabbering stuff that is not related to makeup, because I feel like talking, but then I don't know if I will be able to upload me talking because it will make the video longer. So maybe I will just skip a little bit of it and just put in a little bit of me talking. I really hope you enjoy watching. Actually, I kind of love this look. It looks so cute on me. Look cute. Do I look cute? Okay, anyway. Stop it. Okay, so I really hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe and I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. But That giveaway will be announced when I reach 500 plus, so do subscribe on them and hit the bell button so that it will be easy for you guys to like get a notification if I ever upload a new video. And yeah, see ya again on my next one. Okay, this is a clip me being an e-girl. Ta-da! Okay guys, so this is how it actually looks like. They usually wear something striped like this and then top it with a black shirt and then with jeans or black jeans, blue or black jeans, and then they sometimes will wear this thing, but mine just is not suitable for this kind of look. So this is it. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye!